Friends, welcome to the course Proverbs Expressive English presented to you by me, Amirtha Devrajan. You can follow me on Unacademy at this given URL, and don't forget that your precious feedback is valuable to me. So do rate, review, recommend, share, and comment. Thank you so much. So the first proverb is there is no time like the present, which means that don't wait to do something, do it now, because you cannot go back in the past and you don't have the future, but you have the present time right in front of you. So don't wait for something and just don't waste your time like that. So don't let the past steal your present. Let's look at the example for this proverb. Why don't you stop talking about needing to call your mom and just do it right now, because there is no time like the present. Just be done with everything you want to do. So that is about it. Moving on to the next proverb, which again expresses the value of time, which is time is money. This means that don't waste your time on other people's time, because in this valuable present time you can do something productive. You can gain knowledge which will later help you gain some money. Or knowledge is good even if it doesn't make you earn something, and you can use your time in such a way that it's productive, and you should do that. You can take some time out for yourself, like 1 hour 2 hours, to do all what you want, watch series, tagging people, memes. That is all good, but you have to realize that you cannot do that all day long. You have to use your time in such a manner that you can call your day effective and productive, because time is money. And because that is it. I mean, if you are free, if you think of something innovative, you can earn, and through money you can, money is the means through which you can fulfill your dreams. So earning money is good, not that you can be completely materialistic, that is not good. But yeah, you should be, you should earn so much that you don't have a problem related, you should not have some financial issues, so that you can enjoy your life, you can enjoy nature once you're settled. Let's look at the example. Hurry up, time is money. A simple example which says it all. Two heads are better than one, meaning that it's easier to do something as a team than by yourself, because you have two brains, not one. So when two brains come together, there might be creative differences, but having said that, there can be a creative unison. So you can put in creative ideas and make a good team out of it. So let's look at the example. I'm stuck on this project. Can you help me out? Two heads are better than one. So that is an easy proverb. Let's move on. You can't get always what you want. Well, a similar proverb, a varied version of what we discussed. If wishes were horses, beggars would ride. So the meaning of this is, don't complain if you don't get what you want, because in life you don't always get what you want. You get different things, and you must get used to that. Let's look at this quote. Remember that sometimes not getting what you want is a wonderful stroke of luck, because you may realize that this is what I wanted more. I never realized this. Like, I wanted to become a teacher, but I never realized this, and I did other things, and I thought this is not my area. But when I started out, I just started to teach, I realized how much I enjoy it and how much pleasure I derive out of this. So you can't get always you want, but sometimes you get something which was destined, and then you realize this is what I wanted to do, and I've got what I really wanted to have. Let's look at the example. A says, I really wanted to see that movie, but I didn't have enough money last week. B, it happens. You can't get always what you want, right? So, you can just download it sometime else, or you can buy a CD or anything of that sort, but you always don't get what you want. So thank you so much for watching. Awaiting your responses eagerly. Drop in your comments in the comment section. Put in your doubts. I'm always there. I may reply a little late, but I will definitely reply. Thank you so much, guys.